In this tutorial you will see how the filter, highlight and slide generator feature work and help you to simplify your work. Let's start with the slide generator. For this we use a simple meeting agenda. Select the entire smart art, and then click on the button Slide Generator in the ribbon. In the side panel on the right you can now choose to set the generator to active, and you can choose whether you want slides to be generated where each agenda item is highlighted, or whether certain agenda items are filtered. We'll come to the filter function later. Also, you can delete the cloned slides from the panel with just a click. After clicking on Generate Cloned Slides, you see how automatically one slide is created per agenda item, where this item is highlighted and the others are blurred. Now, let's assume there is a slight change in the agenda, or maybe you even found a typo in the master slide. Usually this is quite annoying because you have to correct and change individually each clone. In our case, it's very easy. After making your changes in the master, click on Update Cloned Slides and all slides are corrected automatically. Let's have a look at the highlight feature now. You can also apply this feature just to one slide like on this rating chart here. Select the chart and then choose Highlight Items in the ribbon. Choose which blocks you would like to highlight. In our case we have chosen the bad ratings in order to focus on these improvement potentials in our meeting. Another feature is the filter. In this slide we have a dashboard with 4 key performance indicators. We want to filter this dashboard and only show the block sales and FTE. We select the chart and click on Filter, and choose the blocks we want to filter. Contrary to the highlighting feature, the unfiltered blocks are not blurred but are hidden, and only the selected blocks remain on the slide. We hope you like these features and that they help you working efficiently and fast with your presentations.